Hello everyone, welcome to our new channel Factoverse. Today in this first video of our channel, we are talking about some amazing facts about India. As we all know, India is very famous in all over the world for its tourism. Near about 10 million foreign tourists visit India in every year before global pandemic. There are some amazing tourism places which are well known in all over the globe. One of them is Ladakh Motorbike Road. It is not only famous for its motorbike riding tour, besides that it is the highest motorable road on earth, about 903,000 feet. So make sure you should pack warm jackets for this adventure. You should be experience this adventure at least once in your lifetime. Besides Ladakh, there is an amazing tourism spot place in Rajasthan, which is Karni Mata Temple. This temple not only known for its goddess, but also there are approximately 25,000 black rats live at this temple, which is a main attraction of this tourism spot. That's why it's called a rat temple. Like tourism, India is also known for its diversity of religion and their cultural festivals. One of them is Kumbh Mela. It is a major festival of Hinduism. Near about 20 crore visitors attend this Mela, make it world's largest gathering, which is also captured from space by satellite. There are many old rituals in circulation for a long time in many places of India. One of them is frog marriage. In Varanasi, getting frogs married ceremony, villagers hope to please the rain god Lord Indra in order to ensure rainfall for their crops from drought. That's why every year they arrange this ceremony. In India, every ritual are more attractive for its fun and sweets. And India is more famous for a large variety of sweets. For sweet tooth, it is a heaven on earth. The sugar, which is the core element of maximum sweet dish, does anyone know where it comes from? It is first extracted from sugarcane in India. During the early stages of shampoo, English hairstylists boiled shaved soap in water and added herb to give the hair shine and fragrance. But do you know, shampooing is an Indian concept? Shampoo was first invented in India. The word shampoo comes from the Sanskrit word champu, which means to massage. In nowadays, shampoo is popular all over the world as a grooming and marketing product. So, if you like this video, please like, share and comment it. And to get more these kinds of contents, subscribe the channel to learn more.